Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Netwrix easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register for Netwrix, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Netwrix website URL. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the sign up or get started button. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to a registration form. Fill in your first name in the designated field. Next, input your last name in the following field. Provide a valid email address that you regularly access. Create a strong password for your account. Re-enter the password to confirm it. Some forms may require you to select your country from a drop-down menu. If prompted, read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. After ensuring all information is correct, click the Register or Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Netwrix. Open the email and find the confirmation link. Click on the link to verify your email address. You may be directed back to the Netwrix website. At this point, you can log in using your email and password. Follow any additional prompts to complete your account setup. Congratulations, you are now registered with Netwrix. Explore the features and resources available to you as a new user. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.